Hi, good day everyone. And this is Professor X again. Today we will discuss the laws of exponent. We have 12 laws of exponent, and every one I will give you two examples. First is algebraic expression using variables or with variables, and the other one by using whole number. And we are using small number, so for easy understanding. And number one laws of exponent is x to the power m times x to the power n is equals to x m plus n. So example of this one for algebraic expression is 2x to the power 3 times 3x to the power 2. This become, so by laws, copy this one x, but you need to multiply the coefficient. So 6x 3 plus 2, and this become 6x to the power 5. And now using whole number, we'll give you an example using a whole number. So 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power 2, this is equals to 2 plus 2, and this is equals to 2 to the power 4, and this is equals to 16. So check, 2 to the power 4 equals to 4 times 2 to the power 2 equals to 4 also. So 4 times 4 equals to 16. So it is correct. And number 2, laws of exponent is x to the power m divide x to the power n is equals to x m minus n. So for algebraic expression, I will give you an example: x to the power 2 over x to the power 1, or x, this is equals to x 2 minus 1, and this is equals to 2 minus 1 x to the power 1, or any number, any variable or number with the power 1 is equals to x is a number. Okay, then I will give you an example for the whole number. So 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2. So copy this laws of exponent, 2 and 3 minus 2, this is equals to 2 to the power 3 minus 2 equals to 1, or equal to 2. Now we need to check if this is correct. So 2 to the power 3 is equals to 2 times 2 times 2, and over 2 to the power 2, 2 times 2. So this is equals to 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And 2 times 2 equals to 4. And 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. So they are equal, so correct. And now number 3. X to the power m times y to the power m. So this is equals to xy to the power m. They have the same exponent. So example of this one for an algebraic expression: x to the power 2 times y to the power 2 is equals to, copy, x times y to the power 2, and using whole number. So that's very easy, that's the answer, no? 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2 is equals to 2 times 3 to the power 2, this copy. So become 2 times 3 equals to 6 to the power 2. So this become 36. And we check this one, checking if this is correct. 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4 times 3 to the power 2 equals to 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. So this is the same. It is correct, since this is law of exponent. Number 4, I will give you an example. So x to the power m divided by y to the power m is equals to x divided by y and to the power m, because they are the same exponent. So number 4, example of this one is x raised to the power 2, y raised to the power 2 is equals to x over y to the power 2. And so that's the answer. And I will give you an example for a whole number. So 4 to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power 2 is equals to 4 divided by 2 to the power 2. So this becomes 4 divided by 2 equals 2 to the power 2 equals to 4. And if we check, uh, 4 squared is 16. 2 squared is 4. So 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. So this log exponent is correct. Number 5. And number 5, I will give you some example. This one, x to the power negative n, this become equal to 1 over x to the power m. So example of this one is 2x to the power negative 2 will become, just follow the formula, 1 2x to the power 2. So that is an algebraic expression, and this is the answer. And for example of whole number, 2 to the power negative 1 equals to 1 over 2 to the power 1, or any number raised to the power 1 equals a number, so 1 over 2. Okay, and this is our answer. Example of this one is for the whole number, 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 is equals to 2 times 3, so this will become 2 times 3 equals to 6, so this will become 64. And let's check if this is 64. 2 to the power 2 equals to 4 to the power 3, so this become 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4, 16 times 4, 64. So this is correct. These are both equal. And number 7, laws of exponent. This is very simple. Now remember this one. X to the power 0 equals to 1, where x is not equal to 0. So example of this one, for 2x to the power 0, this become 2 times 1, because x to the power 0 equals to 1, or this equals to 2. And for whole number, 2 to the power 0 equals to 1. So it's very easy. And number 8, x square root of to the power n. So example of this one, number 8, is x cube. So this will become x to the power 1/3, and that's the answer. And for number 3, so this become 2, and this one be 1 over 3, and this will become 1.259. Okay, that's based on calculator. Number 9, so x to the power m square to the power n, so this become x m over n, and this inside the power of x will become the upper over denominator n. So example of this one is x squared in cube root, this will become x in 2 over 3, so this will become the upper. Okay, and that's the answer. And for whole number, 2 squared cube root, so this will become 2 over 3, or this is equals to 1.587. So okay, it's the answer. And then 10, 11, and 12. Now this one we are learning to engineering way. So I will explain you how does formula prove. No? No need to make an example, but we need to prove that this formula is correct. No? We change to higher learning. So I will explain you this one. Why this become x square root to the power m, then square root to the power n. So this become x 1 over mn, or equals to mn square root of x. So I will give you an example. But by this one, we will simplify this one to prove that one. Remember this one. So that one is comes from this one, x to the power 1 over m. This first inside, no? And inside of square root. So what happened that one is open and close parenthesis. We go back to number 6. Remember this one. X to the power m to the power n is equals to x mn. So mamultiply lang yung power niya. So and so we proceed. We just multiply by using rule number 6. So this will become x 1 times 1 is 1. M times n is equals to m n. And this is the formula. And this formula is correct, no? Based on the law, rule number 6. Okay? So we proceed to number 11. So number 11, x square root of m. So x square root of m is equals to x m plus n divided by m over n. So how this become, how to prove this one, number 11. So remember this one by rule number 1. So very simple. We check rule number 1. And this is rule number 1. X to the power m times x to the power n is equals to x m plus n. So let's check number 11. How this become, no? We will check this formula, how this will come out, no? This laws of exponent number 11. So this one, we will simplify this one, become x to the power 1 over n times, so this one meaning times x to the power 1 over m. And so this will become by laws of exponent number 1 x, and then add, no? Add. So okay, 1 over n plus 1 over m. This becomes and the LCD m n. N divided by mn, cancel n, no? And then the remaining is m times 1 equals to m, plus m divided by mn, cancel m, and the remaining is n times 1 equals to n. And this formula is the same. So this is correct, no? This is correct formula number 11. Just remember this formula. So number 12. Number 12, x square root to the power m times x square root to the power n, but this is inside of this x. So how this formula come out, no? We will verify this one if this is correct or not. So we focus this one. We simplify this one first. How? This one. We simplify the inside part of this one. So n. So this become x times x to the power 1 over m. So remember that one, sorry. So this become x times x to the power 1 over m, and this become in x, since this is times, multiply, go back again to rule number 1, and remember that one, rule number 1, just copy and then add the power. So let's see, it's the same, so copy 1, and this is imaginary 1, so add the power, 1 plus 1 over m. Okay, and this is also have imaginary 1 over 1, so this will become x, and the LCD is m. m divided by 1 is equals to m times 1 equals to m. Plus, copy the sign, positive. M divided by m equals to 1 times 1 equals to 1. So this will become x, m plus 1 to the power m. And we simplify this one again. This will become x to the power m plus 1 divided by m times 1 over n. So, and this one by rule number 6. So, from here, rule number 1, and this, by using rule number 6, we will review rule number 6. X to the power m times n equals to x, n times n. Okay, so we will multiply this one. So this will become x 1 times m plus 1 equals to m plus 1. Any number times multiplied by 1 is a number, divided by m times n. So m times n equals to m times n. And this formula is equals to this formula. Okay, so this is correct. And what I tell you is remember this 12 formula for the laws of exponent. So you will get a perfect score when taking an exam. Okay, and thank you so much for watching